All right, I am right now at Lilla Sun, and uh, I was enjoying the beautiful sea here, and you see the beach is absolutely beautiful. But now I am going to start to run to one nudist beach that's around 5 kilometers away from here. It is a beautiful rocky beach. So let's then train a bit while doing beach adventures. And yes, that's you can follow me now on the run all the way to the nudist beach from the starting point Lilla Sand in Värmdö in Stockholm on this 25th of July. So let me start my clock and then let's start running. Okay, in a bit, just a second. Right, oops. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's run, run, run! Ah, beautiful nature here in the forest, perfect for a run. And yes, I'm gonna be updating you throughout the run. It's gonna be around 5 kilometers one way, and then obviously I need to run back as well. So here we are now at Lilla Sand. That's the smaller sister beach of Stora Sand. Both of them are part of Björnö Sandarna. Beautiful beaches here out on the Baltic Sea. And right now I'm at the parking spot. That's quite empty because it's not so many people today, as it should have been cloudy and rainy, but it's actually sunny right now. So yeah, let's then continue. And I was planning to use the main road, but now I will actually run through the forest. So let's go. And I am now at 1 kilometer mark, 5 minutes 30 seconds. We can see here the sign, Björnö Sandarna, from where I was coming from, and here we can see Björnö where I'm actually heading, but I will turn left at Björnö Naturreservat and continue along the nature reserve to Strand, passing by all the way to the nudist beach where I'm heading to. There is even one nudist beach that's close by, closer, but I have visited already that one 2 or 3 weeks ago. So now I'm heading off way to the end of the nature reserve in the most beautiful rocks. So yes, I'm gonna be posting some more. I'm gonna be filming some more. Then see you again at kilometer number 2. Let's go. So I'm at 2 kilometers mark and I am entering the Björnö nature reserve, and I am very close now to Torpe Sandstrand, beautiful sandy beach, and I have around 3 kilometers left to my destination. So yeah, it was a bit faster this second kilometer. Here we have a lot of cars, but I think it's because of we receiving a port, and many have boats as well. So yes, continue running and in this beautiful nature here in Björnö Nature Reserve. Here I can see also the sea as well. And this beach here is called Kvällsbadet because it is facing west, northwest actually, and it has sun for the second half of the day. Here we can see Torpe Sand, 300 meters, and that's Snorkel Led, the snorkeling trail that I have visited 2 weeks ago. So yeah, we continue then with the run as we pass by Torpe Sandstrand at 2.3 kilometers right now. So yes, let's continue running. Kilometer check mark at 5 minutes and 33 seconds. I'm running in the forest in the nature reserve for Björnö, and I have around 2 or 3 kilometers left to my destination and my swim on the wild nudist beach. So I have taken off my running shirt because it is too hot right here. On the beach in Sand it was actually quite cold with the wind, but here in the forest there is no wind at all. So it was a bad decision to take the t-shirt with me. So anyway, I have it now wrapped up around my ankle, actually wrist to be more specific, and let's continue the running in this beautiful forest. Björnö, let's go! Kilometer number 4 at 5 minutes and 26 seconds. So total was below 22 so far. Quite decent pace. I'm not rushing because I'm enjoying in the nature. And there is at least between 1 to 2 kilometers left on my run. And I actually did this run last year, but I started from Torpesand Strand, so it was a bit shorter, like it was 3.5 kilometers, while now it will be around 5.5 one way. So yes, this is my view, as you have seen. So let's continue running towards the sea and the nudist wild beach that I'm about to visit. Let's go! And 5 kilometers, total of 27 minutes 49 seconds. It was a little bit of slower the last 1 kilometer, but I'm now at Ramsviken and the lake Ramsviksträsk that you can see right now. I actually took a swim last year. Let's see if I will be want to take a swim later here on the way back, but it's basically a lake, not so spectacular. I'm here mostly to explore the sea, and I can already smell it from here that it's calling me, and I remember those beautiful rocks from last year. And yes, we have passed earlier by Norwegian, and this is actually Ramsviken here. Yes, I completely remember this. There's also the sign. So beautiful, beautiful nature for hiking, walking, running, exploring as such. Here you can also camp for free and enjoy the nature full out as well. So yeah, I think there's the 1 kilometer left, so let's continue the running towards the coast and the rocky, wild, nudist beach. Let's go! And exactly 6 kilometers and I have arrived at this wild beach that you can be naked also, because there is basically nobody here So 6 kilometers, 34 minutes exactly. Let's see if I can beat that on the way back. But it looks absolutely magnificent. And yeah, indeed, out on the open sea, I'm ready for a swim here at Björnö Nature Reserve. Amazing. Let's then jump off, and thanks a lot for watching this 6K run with me from Lilla Sand to Björnö Naturreservat Klippstrand over here, this wild beach that is also known as a nudist beach as well. So cheers! And now make sure to follow also for the episode when I swim also. So subscribe and follow for more beach adventures with Cree!